Imagine a world where managing your finances is as easy as checking your phone. No more spreadsheets, no more budgeting apps that feel like a second job. Is it too good to be true? Today, we're diving into PocketGuard, a popular app that promises to simplify your financial life. But is it legit? Let's find out. Ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're constantly chasing after your money? I know the feeling. That's why I was so intrigued by PocketGuard. It claimed to be a financial superhero, saving me time and stress. But does it live up to the hype? What is PocketGuard? PocketGuard is essentially a personal finance app. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even bills. From there, it tracks your spending, income, and net worth. It also helps you set budgets and goals. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Let's break down some of PocketGuard's key features. First, there's the spending tracker. This tool shows you where your money is going in real time. You can see how much you're spending on categories like dining, entertainment, and transportation. Next, we have the budgeting feature. PocketGuard helps you create budgets based on your income and expenses. It even suggests ways to cut back if you're overspending. Finally, there's the savings goal feature. This tool allows you to set aside money for specific goals, like a vacation or a down payment on a house. Is PocketGuard easy to use? One of the things I love about PocketGuard is how easy it is to use. The app has a clean and intuitive interface. Everything is laid out clearly, so you can find what you need quickly. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you should be able to figure out how to use PocketGuard. Pros and cons. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of PocketGuard. On the plus side, the app is incredibly helpful for tracking your spending and setting budgets. It's also a great way to stay on top of your finances. On the downside, some users have complained about the app's accuracy. There have also been reports of glitches and technical issues. Is PocketGuard legit? So, is PocketGuard legit? Based on my experience and the feedback from other users, I'd say yes. It's a valuable tool for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. However, it's important to note that PocketGuard is not a magic bullet. You still need to be disciplined and make smart financial decisions. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to manage your money, PocketGuard is definitely worth checking out. It's a powerful tool that can help you reach your financial goals. Just remember to use it wisely and be mindful of its limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.